good, everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video, and today I have a pickup. This shoe is from the SneakX app and it was obtained via the SneakX cam, and you guys might have an idea what it is. It is the Air Jordan 11 cap and gown. So the details on the box: it is the Air Jordan 11 Retro in black, black, and black. Style number is 378037 and color code is 005. Suggested retail price $250. Okay, so what we would normally see in holiday releases, this is the Air Jordan 11 pull-out box that you guys are all familiar with. It is in all black, has some matte finishes as well as some glossy finishes. There were several nicknames for this shoe: the Prom Night, the Triple Black, and now the Cap and Gown. So we'll go ahead and open these up so you guys can see and take a closer look at what's inside. So Tinker made them shine, Mike made them fly, and you make them iconic. Alright, so this is just in a black and clear case. This is the black carbon fiber paper. Just on the outside, it's got that smooth finish. On the other side, it's rough. And here we go. Now, I wasn't too sure about this, to be honest with you. I did skip out on the Gamma Blue 11s. One reason in particular was just the colors on it. I know that Gamma Blue is supposed to be totally different, and it has pretty much the same outsole as the Gamma Blue. Unfortunately, I can't give you guys a comparison review on that because, you know, I don't own the pair, but this is just a review of what you will see when you guys get your pair. This is slated for release on May 26, 2018, again for a price tag of $250. And it's got the same style number as the rest of the Air Jordan 11s. It's got a really clean look up top, which is nubuck. You have the higher patent leather on the rand here, all black midsole, and then that blue looking tinted outsole. I don't know if you guys remember, but a couple years back I did a review on the Space Jam 11s. The black Concords are pretty much the playoff PE. And I noted to you guys that I would like to see Michael Jordan's Game 1 and Game 2 semifinal from the 1995 NBA playoffs with the number 45 on the back. As we all know, with that Space Jam 2016 release, they did the 45 and they stitched it. Now, holiday 2018, it's pretty much set that the Concord 11 is going to be releasing, but are we going to be getting 23 or 45? That's the question. In games 1 and 2 of that NBA playoff, Michael Jordan wore the shoe with number 45 on the back. So I would like to see number 45 on the back and stitched also. Now here it's 23 and it's stitched. Now it looks good. It is a bit bunched up, but you know, there were several player exclusives that were out there that do have a stitched 23 on the back of a Space Jam 11. And whether it's 23 or 45, the correct way would go 45 because that's what Michael Jordan wore in those games in the playoffs. But if Jordan Brand wants to be different and do 23, that's fine with me too. I'm honestly looking forward to that holiday release because the Concord 11 is my first pair of Air Jordans that I ever had and purchased with my own money. And best believe I'm going to get at least 3 or 4 pairs. So you notice the Jumpmans as well, they face one way. Jordan Brand did do the effort of making the higher cut of the patent leather, but they changed the orientation of the Jumpmans. As we all know, OGs always face towards the toe, and this one on the left shoe faces toward the back. One cool feature that I do like that they did is whenever you graduate, high school, college, whatnot, they give you the tassel on the top of your hat. So the inspiration there comes from that onto the laces, so you have a tassel inspired lace in the Air Jordan 11. So I thought that was pretty neat. The shoe has a black insole with a smoked out Jumpman, and the shoe tree, which I figure always has paper underneath it, does not, and it comes with this black speckle looking shoe tree. Now also, if you guys remember, I did a video on the Win Like 96 Air Jordan 11, And I also was not impressed with the way that the carrier handled my package, and it was all tore up and everything. And you guys might remember that I got a discount code from that, and it was 30%. So I was actually able to use that discount code on these, even though it was a sneakers early exclusive. So what I did, basically, I called within, I don't know, about 20 minutes, and I let them know that I have this discount code that I had since December. It was expiring in June, and I wanted to use it. Now, $250 retail on the Air Jordan 11 is pretty steep, so saving money anywhere I can was just awesome. So after tax and everything, it was supposed to be like around $272.50. Brought it down to about $200. After shipping, it's $218. So yep, I got this pair for $218. So after that, I pretty much tweeted out the savings that I got from Nike after calling Nike's 1-800 number, and people were wondering like, how, why? No, you can't use it on new releases. Well, your mileage really does vary. So if you don't get it the first time, if you order on sneakers or anywhere on the site, make sure you call within like an allowable time if you want to enable like a gift card, a discount code, or a birthday coupon. I've heard success stories on Twitter, so pretty much everyone was giving me like a 50-50 chance that they were getting these discounts. So shout out to you guys that were proactive in doing that. Anyways, it's MJO23Dan. Subscribe to me on YouTube if you guys like the content. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook if you like to see what's going on in real time. So sit back, relax, check out these next few shots, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.